Have you ever dreamed of starting your own business? Are you passionate about taking control of your financial future? The Legacy Builders program is designed to help you do just that. This program provides you with the tools and knowledge to launch a successful digital products business. Legacy Builders focuses on empowering individuals like you to become entrepreneurs. You'll learn how to create and sell digital products, build a loyal customer base, and ultimately achieve financial freedom. The program provides comprehensive training, resources, and ongoing support to guide you every step of the way. This is not just about making money, it's about building a legacy. It's about creating something you're passionate about and sharing it with the world. With Legacy Builders, you have the potential to impact countless lives while building a secure future for yourself and your loved ones. To learn more about this program, find a link in the description. In today's digital age, marketing your products online is essential for success. Legacy Builders understands this and provides comprehensive training on digital marketing strategies. You'll learn how to reach your target audience, drive traffic to your offers, and convert leads into paying customers. Digital marketing offers unparalleled advantages over traditional methods. It allows you to target specific demographics and interests, ensuring that your marketing efforts reach the right people. With tools like social media marketing, email marketing, and search engine optimization, you can connect with your potential customers where they already spend their time online. Imagine being able to track the performance of your marketing campaigns in real time, making adjustments as needed to maximize your results. That's the power of digital marketing. Legacy Builders equips you with the knowledge and tools to harness this power and drive your business growth. One of the most appealing aspects of a digital products business is the potential for recurring revenue. Legacy Builders teaches you how to create and sell products that generate ongoing income, providing you with financial stability and predictability. Imagine having a steady stream of income flowing into your account each month, regardless of whether you're actively working on your business or taking a well-deserved vacation. That's the beauty of recurring revenue. Legacy Builders guides you on how to create products and membership programs that offer exceptional value to your customers, encouraging them to stay subscribed month after month. This business model allows you to break free from the traditional trading time for money trap and build a business that works for you even while you sleep. Legacy Builders provides you with the roadmap to achieve this level of financial freedom. Profiting with reseller rights. Legacy Builders takes things a step further by offering reseller rights. This means you can sell these products as your own and keep 100% of the profits. Imagine the income potential this unlocks. Reseller rights eliminate the need to create your own products from scratch, saving you time, effort, and resources. You can leverage proven, high-quality products that are already in demand, allowing you to start generating revenue faster. This business model is incredibly powerful because it allows you to leverage the existing reputation and demand for established products. Legacy Builders provides you with all the necessary marketing materials and support to successfully sell these products under your own brand. Imagine waking up to notifications of sales rolling in, knowing that you're making substantial progress towards your financial goals. While it requires dedication and effort, achieving $900 days is a realistic possibility with the Legacy Builders system. The program emphasizes the importance of providing exceptional customer service and building a strong brand reputation, which are crucial factors in driving sales and maximizing your income potential. With the right mindset, work ethic, and the support of the Legacy Builders community, you can achieve remarkable financial success. Starting a digital products business with Legacy Builders is an incredible opportunity to take control of your future. You'll gain valuable digital marketing skills, learn how to create recurring income streams, and benefit from the power of reseller rights. Don't wait another day to start building your legacy. Take the first step towards financial freedom and a fulfilling entrepreneurial journey. The Legacy Builders program provides you with everything you need to succeed. Your future is waiting. Join Legacy Builders today and unlock your full potential. The world of digital entrepreneurship awaits.